Today we're doing a quick video about some news. Also, I just wanted to do a quick test with this new microphone. I am testing to see. So please let me know if you think that the audio is better or worse in this video than it has been in others. I do want to use this microphone a little while before I give my review on it. It is a Shure MV88 microphone that plugs right into the lightning port of my iPhone. But let me know if you think that it has better quality or worse quality. Obviously, if it's worse, it's not worth the extra money that it costs to have this microphone. So please let me know what you think. Tesla announced that they're going to split their stock 5-1. So as of close of the stock market on August 31st, Tesla's stock is going to be split 5-1. So you're going to get Tesla stock as of today's price somewhere in the range of $300. So on the news last night, Tesla's stock did jump 8%. So we'll see. Obviously, if you've been an investor in Tesla for the past few years, you know they are very up and down with the stock market price. But as of late, and especially through this pandemic, they have been really crushing it as far as the production numbers and the profitability, even when all other auto manufacturers have been down as much as 30%. Tesla has made record quarters with the release of their Model Y. Obviously, that was a big selling point, and they can't meet the demand for their products. So basically every car that Tesla can manufacture, they're going to sell. Even with half of the last quarter being closed, they still made a profit and had a record quarter. So that more and more factories and more products. So until they actually reach the demand of their products, I think they're just only going up. So what do you think? Is this your opportunity to get a couple shares of Tesla now that it's going to be back in the range it was really only last year? So mid last year, it was actually in the $300 price range. And so now it's going to be back there again and maybe more accessible to people. So what do you think? Are you going to pick up a share or not? Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.